So, moving on to the dimension.
We're going to be measuring an equal distance. Since we are reducing our scale, we can use 1, 1, 1, but it will make the joint all bulky, so we'll be using 0.5. But our distance for our dimension is 0.5. 0.5 and 0.5. Project each length out.
So, the first part,
Remember, all of them would align to a part. I'm choosing this point as my align part. The first point we're choosing for is this first part. From here to here. The next one is to this next center. The next one is to the center of all this. Since these are all circles, we can use radii to dimension them here. We don't need to do the dimensioning from here again. Then the next one is this center. Then next is this center. And the next is this end, is the end here.
so now, the question,
All of them are going to be drawn out. So this line, we're going to make each of the lines bold for the dimensioning.
From here to there is 60. I mean, from here to this 4.2. 2.2. To this one. Okay, 2.2. Okay, from here to here is 0.8. 0.4.
And then our header. You can either use the bend alone, or after using the bend, shading it. Which one you prefer? So now, coming back to the numbering now. The measurement you're going to be putting on it has to be the actual measurement. This is 120, right? So I'm putting 120. This is,
let me see, where's the question? So you can confirm the measurement. Or just let's use the ruler.
we know it's double, right? So from here to here is 58. 58 times 2 is what?
58 times 2.
116.
So this is 116. Then this is 52 times 2. That is 104. Then this is 60. This is 9. Wait up. Not supposed, is it 8? It's 8. That is 16. And this is 8.
Yeah.
So, this is the proper dimensioning for this part. Then coming here, same distancing.
0.5, 0.5, 0.5. So project everything upward. So, equal baselines, right? And then the first one is here, right? The first height, map it out. Our next height, which happens to be this one, right? This. Map it out. On the next one, map it out on the next. Then the center. The reason why we are not using the radii for A, the diameter measurement for A, is because we don't have a space. We didn't do the side view which will show it, right? Understand?
Yeah.
So, yeah. And the next point is A. So, for each and every one of them, make a straight line down. So, Pedro. So height here is 8.
Same thing now.
Then from here to here. By writing the actual measurement, remember you still write the scale. So this is 4, which is 80, right? Then the next one is 43, which is 86. And the next is 46, which is 92. Then the next one is 48, which is 96. And the last one is 5, which is 100.
Yes, so you now this from this center line. Yes, this from this center line you measured this. Which distance do you use for this?
Same thing here. You have your vertical, your horizontal line. Then the first one you're going to be doing is where this starts from. The line where this starts from. Next is your center line. Then the line where this stops. And then where this whole body stops. And then
Look behind you. Alex, behind you.
so the height from here to the base, this is 1.5, giving us 3. So we have 30, followed by 35, followed by 40, and followed by 70.
Thumbs. Sorry.
So now, to label the circles, I'm going to be using, let's say, 60. Mark out the first, mark out the next, and the next, and then After marking them out, you draw them horizontal lines. First, and next. Make sure make sure your projection lines are indeed faint enough so they don't conflict with your drawing. Then this also, and this. And write each of them's radius. This is radius 20. I'm going to put this. Radius 10 for the first one. Next one is radius. Can I see the question? Radius 19. This is now one here. What's the radius? This is so 19, 10, in the inner part. Measuring it from here, we have 8. 8 plus 8 is 16, right? Radius 16. And then here we have 12, radius 24. And the last is 1.5, that's radius 30. And this is how you can perfectly dimension your drawing. After this, you continue dimension for this and this the same way.